Hey, Isha, what are you doing there?
You know what? I had really lost something really important.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
What is it?
You still remember that yesterday we harvested fruit, right?
Yeah.
I forget that I put it here. But
Oh, so are you looking it?
because I already put it in a box, so it's supposed to be ripe today.
Oh, yeah?
I forget the box. Oh my god! How can we review the fruit? Oh my god!
Come on, please
I really wish
remember
that
it.
it's not disappear. Oh, there is it.
Oh, there's.
So I missed
Oh
the
my
fruit.
God.
I
You
already
forget
chocolate
about
it
it.
in almost an hours.
Yeah.
Here, look at it, guys. Come here.
Oh, yeah. What is it?
It's a ripening box.
ripening box?
Look at it.
Oh,
It is down there. Maybe I can show you. It's a
okay.
traditional way.
Traditional way?
Yeah, it's a traditional way to ripe a fruit. Come here.
Oh,
Look at
oh
it, guys.
my gosh. How can you make the food being ripe?
It's just using a.
Oh, I see.
It's a rice shell, right?
Rice cell?
Yeah, we just use it here like this,
Yo,
so it's easy to find.
okay.
I use this because it contains worm in it, so it keeps the moisture of the fruit,
Yeah.
so it can be ripe.
Oh,
Look at it.
let's check it out.
Guys,
Is it ripe now?
it's the prince fruit, guys. Oh my god, look at it. When I, oh, it's very soft.
Oh,
So it must be already ripe. Look at it, guys. Come here. The,
what kind of variety is it?
it's a prince that we harvested
prince.
yesterday for this food from this.
Oh, from
Tree.
this tree
Yeah,
that you have picked yesterday?
yeah. So we sit beside of this tree.
Oh, yeah.
Look at it. I pick up your food. Look at it. I pick up your food. Thank you. Look at it. It's already soft enough.
Yeah. I can't wait any longer
Yesterday I
to
harvested
try it.
a tree variety, right?
Yeah,
So it's the prince fruit. The second one must be jambon.
jambon. Okay, let's check it out.
The jambon, this one.
Oh,
But wait, let me check it first. It's not ripe yet, guys. I think it needs one more day because it's still kind of hard to push.
oh, it's different variety. It's different.
It's different time to ripe, so
Oh.
we must wait one more days, guys.
Okay. And what is another one?
Another one is bokong head, right?
Yeah, that you show us yesterday that you have harvest a bokong head.
Am I yesterday harvesting a bokong head?
Yeah, you
But
show
look at
us.
It's not bokong head, I guess.
Oh, what is it? Oh my gosh!
Wait a minute.
Wow, why it looks different?
Look at me now.
Wow.
Yesterday we harvested bokong head.
Yes, I know that.
I heard from some person that it can change the colors.
Yo, that's right. Why is change
Yeah,
color?
it's changing to be red just like this. Oh my god, how beautiful is it, guys?
Oh my gosh!
Wait a minute now.
What kind of color is it?
It's like an apple.
Oh,
Right?
yeah, like an apple, I think.
Oh my god. Are you really interested to try this fruit, guys?
Yeah, let's review it.
But wait,
So,
I need to take this fruit to here. We
Yeah.
must pour it here because it's not ripe yet.
oh,
The jambon variety. After that, we gonna cover it with a plastic.
okay.
So we have a lot of space here. Wait a minute,
Alright.
guys. I need to be really careful with this variety.
My gosh.
Look how majestic is this variety.
Oh, what kind of variety that you say that?
I think it's bokong head, you know. It's originated from Vietnam.
Oh, why is change color? That you have speak it yesterday is still green.
Yeah, it's still green, but it's just 3 days, guys. Just 3 days from that harvesting session.
Yeah.
It's already ripe. And the
Oh.
color is changing.
Oh my gosh.
Different, right? Look at
Yeah.
it. The color is
It's different.
different.
Oh my gosh.
How magnificent. More closer. Look at more closer, guys, if you want to see how majestic is it.
oh, it's reddish, I think.
It's like an apple.
Like an apple. Yeah, you're right.
I lost all my voice here, guys. Because
Oh. Yeah. I don't believe that.
you can wait any
Why
longer, right?
Yeah. I want to taste it.
But first, it's a local one.
Yeah.
And then it's distribution or imported one.
Yeah.
It's from Vietnam. And
Yeah.
it's from Indonesia. It's
Oh.
prince fruit.
Prince fruit. And the red one is from Vietnam?
Yeah. But there's some person that said it can change the color.
Yeah.
Bawang head can change the color.
Yeah.
And when the first time we buy in the trees,
Yeah.
the nursery say it doesn't have any seed.
Oh. Is it proof it is doesn't have a seed?
We cannot prove it because she said that it's gonna be a seedless avocado.
Oh.
What's your
Let's
opinion
prove
about it? Are you
I don't think so. I think the fruit is
okay?
got a shit.
You really top with this fruit, right?
Yeah.
I'm sure that it doesn't have any seed in it. So we can
Okay.
prove it. Who's right? Here, you guys.
All right.
Come on.
I can't wait any longer.
Before that,
You want to review for
Yeah.
us?
I want to review it, of course.
Okay.
But before that, I really thanks to all of you guys that already support our channel.
Yeah.
All of your support is really meaningful for our channel growth. Oh, look at it, guys.
Oh,
It's
you
really
already want to review it?
Yeah.
Oh, I want to show in it what kind of it look like. Come on.
So you're right. I'm wrong. It have a seed. Look at it, guys. It's really soft. Oh. And
My gosh.
the flesh have a purplish color here.
Oh, it look like oily.
Yeah, it's really oily. Wait a minute. I want to try it, guys, because
Okay.
the smell of it is really delicious. It's oily, everything. Oh, it's really soft.
Really sharp, I
Yes, it is.
think.
Oh my god, that's the seed. It's falling off really easily, guys.
Oh. Yeah?
Yeah, the seed is not that big. Because
Oh, yeah.
it's normal, right?
Yeah, it's normal.
But it's
So
falling
about the
off.
flesh? Is it thick enough?
It's thick. Look at it. Wait a minute. I need to. Oh,
Oh.
It's
Oh
thick,
my
guys.
gosh.
it's thick. It's
It's
really
very
and
thick.
Also, really easy to falling off from the peel.
Okay.
Because it's already ripe.
All
It's
right.
clean, guys, so don't worry about my health.
Yeah.
It's clean. Let's try that. It's a superfood.
My gosh. You look so wow. Can I taste it?
You want to taste it?
Yeah, of course.
The taste of it
What do you think?
It's
What
sweet.
about the taste?
is sweet, oily.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a butter, you know?
Oh.
It's oily, buttery,
Oh my gosh.
pure delicious. It's peeled really easily, you know? Oh, my god.
gosh. You like a peel a banana.
Yeah, I don't want to lose all of it.
Oh. Oh.
You want to
my
try it?
God. Yeah.
You must try it.
Okay.
Wait a minute.
Give me a slice.
I will slice it for you. Oh my god. The taste is long lasting, guys. Oh, I can gonna lie. It's buttery, sweet,
All right.
oily, everything. It's like a natural butter, you know?
Oh.
You must be can't wait any longer to taste it, right?
Yeah.
Wait a minute. Oh my god. Look how soft that is. I never seen. Just pick it up.
Me. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. What's the taste of it?
Oh my gosh. Mm. Oh,
May I taste it a little bit?
Mm.
Here's
it's very buttery.
it's buttery, right?
Yeah.
So I'm not lying, right?
Ah, you're
It's
right.
the first time that we taste this
Yeah.
kind of variety, right?
Oh, yeah. It's really oily too.
We wait a whole 3 years just to taste this pure delicate, delicate man.
Careful with the knife. Mm. Oh. Oh my god. This is true.
I want
That
to
is
die.
true. Oh yeah?
I want to die. I want to dance because
Oh.
the taste of it
Oh. Yeah.
is really
You're
delicious. You know, it's like
Yeah.
a coconut.
Yeah.
It's like a coconut, but more sweeter.
Yeah, that's
The next
right.
one, guys. They say this prince fruit have the thickest flesh in the avocado world.
Especially for local?
Yeah, especially for local. Well, you already got my idea there.
Yeah, yeah.
It's a local. It's a. Oh my god, guys! Look at that.
My
The flesh is not just pure yellow, but have a slightly purple in it, right?
still stuck on my lap.
Yeah, it's still everlasting, right?
Yeah, you're right, Esa.
I'm not lying.
Yeah.
So the next one is the prince fruit, guys.
Okay.
The taste of it is still stuck in my mind.
Mm.
That's right, guys. It's not that soft, but yeah, big guy. I think it's perfectly ripe, guys.
Yeah, I think so because you use a traditional way
Yeah, so
to make it ripe.
also it's more safe, you know,
Yeah,
not using any chemicals.
it's perfectly rips.
Oh,
Ta-da! Look at it.
ta-da!
Oh my gosh.
It's really thick.
Oh, you can see how oily it is.
It's oily.
Come on, let's check it.
It's more dry than
Oh,
this
yeah.
variety, but we haven't tasted the taste of it, right?
Okay.
Let's taste it. And yeah, you can wait any longer, right?
Yeah. Wow, I can wait it. Oh,
This one purely
it's
because it's
true. Show me how thick is the avocado's flesh.
look at that. It's thick. It's really thick. It's really thick, guys.
Oh gosh.
It's not seedless. Oh my god.
Oh
I thought
yeah,
it's a
but
seed.
the taste is very
really good.
good.
I will peel it, guys. Oh my
Ooh,
god, it's easy to peel. Let me try it. Look at it.
Okay.
It's really delicious, you know, when we eat it in a natural world like this.
Yeah, it's different. Oh, 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 oh! You're excited, I think. Oh,
I'm really excited, and the taste is more sweet, you know. It's more sweet than this one.
okay.
Yeah.
Oh my God! Look at your face. Oh,
Look at my face, guys. My face can tell a lie, you know.
Yeah,
Cannot tell a lie.
yeah. I know that.
It's really delicious.
Oh my gosh!
I
Look
think our local variety
yeah.
is more delicious than,
Oh,
and how thick that flesh is.
oh yeah. Can see.
Even though the shit is really big, but the flesh also really a lot of it.
Yeah. And how about the taste?
Wait, let me finish it. The taste of it, it's almost the same with this, but more sweeter.
More sweeter.
You want
The
to try it?
Prince? Yeah,
You
I
want
want
to
to try it, of course.
Because you will prove it by yourself, you know?
Yeah.
Because I don't want to tell any lie.
I'm curious with the jambon variety.
But we need to wait one more days, guys, sadly,
Yeah.
because it's not
the
ripe yet.
different variety, yeah?
Yeah, different variety have their own ripening session. Look at it. Just
Oh my gosh. Can you give it to me? Here.
peel it first.
Wow.
It's
Oh,
thick,
okay.
right? Just try it. What's the taste of it?
My.
So, our local varieties, it can have a same taste, right?
Yeah.
But nobody ever really realized that our local variety have the same taste with the imported one.
Yeah, yeah. I know.
So it's kind of sad. It's kind of sad, you know,
Yeah.
when we learn about there's many younger age that I just want a Western product, but in reality, our local product
Yeah, that's good.
is great. If it can be more than it, I guess. Okay, there's a meat here.
It's so that it's buttery, you know?
Yeah, it's buttery, oily, right?
Oily, yeah.
Buttery, oily, and also more sweeter.
Yeah, much sweeter. I agree with you, Isa.
Maybe the next one I will try more crazier, guys. I will take a little bit of it,
Yeah.
and after that, I will get here on my hand, and I will take a little bit of
Yeah.
what is this?
Bocon
Head variety.
Variety. The reddish
Yeah.
avocado.
Okay,
Oh,
Let me try.
let me try.
I think it's the deadly combination, guys,
Oh, yeah.
because it's bloody hell good, lads.
Oh, my God.
Look at my face now.
All right. Wow. Ooh.
It's very delicious, guys. You need to try this one. Look at it.
Okay.
There's two variety that we already showed to you.
Yeah.
Get it?
Come on. Oh, that's it.
It's really green, right?
Oh, yeah.
And also, you already tasted, right? It's delicious.
Yeah.
So I'm not lying to you.
Yeah.
It's a reality.
You are right. It's still stuck in my lip.
So guys, we
Oh.
must be grateful for our Mother Earth because this Mother Earth that already provide us with this kind of delicious fruit.
Oh,
And also, you need to try it. You must try it, you know,
okay.
because you need to feel what I feel right now. I'm
Oh.
not exaggerating myself.
Yeah, yeah,
It's
yeah.
delicious.
Oh,
So, thank you guys for watching our video, and
Yes.
don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want to know more about avocados, about anything about natural world.
okay.
And thank you for every support that you give to us.
Yeah.
It's also really meaningful for us. Thank you. See you on the next video.